No, we do this every single day, so don't waste time. The link is in my bio. Oh my god, 900. We're so close. We're one point away. We're literally like 10 points away from hitting our take profit. That is insane. Congratulations to everybody who's following along, and you guys know we do this every single day. Guys, are we gonna hit it? And there we go. Congratulations. That is $1,000 trade we just did right now live. Congratulations. There we go. $1,000. So we're trading futures. Guys, John, let's go. Grizzly, I would just get registered on their Abato web trader. It's a super easy to use platform, so don't waste time. Get started right now. Now, the one thing that I will go over is exactly how the signals work. So basically, you guys can see right here, these signals, I will give you access to this completely for free. All you have to do is send me a DM saying free. You send me a DM saying free, I'll give you access to the signals. Salt and Pepper is saying, I would like to learn how to do this. For sure, all you got to do is send me a message saying free. Once you say it says max account of users. Dita, I have no idea. Just send me a screenshot. Just send me a DM. Yeah, guys, all of you guys send me a DM. Thank you for the rose. Appreciate it. What was the lot size on that trade? So the lot size on that trade, I'll show you right here. I actually did 100 lots on this NASDAQ trade. Guys, send me a DM saying free, and then I will give you the instructions on how you can get access to these signals, and they're completely free. You never have to pay. Remember, you never have to pay me even a single penny, and the whole reason is because, as you guys can see, I already make $1,000 to $5,000 a day. Okay, I don't need to charge you guys anything. All I want to do is benefit as many people as possible. So guys, stop paying for courses, stop paying for subscriptions, stop paying for bots, and stop paying for signals, because you can get all of that stuff here for free. Okay, so you can make this a win-win scenario. All right, Vinod. All right, sounds good. Vinod, send me a DM, guys. Whoever wants access to all this completely for free, just send me a DM saying free. Now, how do the signals work? So basically, what we did was about 10 years ago, we started testing strategies. Okay, what is a strategy? A strategy is basically just a set of rules that we follow, and then we see whether if this happens, and then if this happens, and if this happens, we enter a buy. If this happens and this happens, then we enter a sell. So that is basically the basic understanding of what a strategy is, and then you test the strategy. Now, if you enter buy trades, and then if you enter sell trades, and then you keep doing that, and then you build a trading history, a track record, and then you see whether that was profitable or not. So that's how a strategy is really tested in the markets. Now, guess what? We've actually tested every single strategy you can think of. It took us about 4 years to test thousands and thousands of strategies, and we found out actually most of them don't make money over time until we found this one. Oh my god, guys, we just got a sell signal on gold. So there we go. Let's go ahead and enter our trade on gold. So I just entered a sell trade right here.